Thank you for joining to me today. I very glad to have this online discuss about topic. I believe it's a very important the role of higher education in today world.
Okay. Good night. That's a good topic. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Right now we live in the changer very quickly technology and economy and even the way we work are very different from the past. The word education, especially higher, has become more important than ever. What are the main benefits of higher edu- education today?
Okay. I think one of the main benefit is better job opportunities. The job market is very competitive now. Many companies look for employee with strong skill, good communication abilities, and critical thinking. Things we usually learn at university. People with higher education often have more chance to get stable jobs or even start their own business.
What do you think? Share how do you see the relationship between education the economy?
Okay. Education and the economy are strongly connected. When more people are educated, the country becomes stronger. Economically educated people can create new ideas, new technology, and new jobs. They help the economy grow. On the other hand, when people don't have access to education, it's harder for them to improve their life. That's why university are important not only for individuals, but for society as a whole. Education is an investment, not just for one person, but for the entire nation.
Oh, that's true, but not everyone can be approached college. The really problems, especially now, many families are stranger financial. Sometimes that way I think the government and universities so work together to make education more approval online learning or financial idea. I also believe the motivation is a very important even of the come from different background. We must see education as a bridge a better future. I may to take time, but the very step in education bridge are closer to opportunity. How do you think the economic crisis affect students?
Okay, the economic crisis makes a student life for more challenging. Some students have to work part-time to survive. Others struggle with internet costs or lack of learning resources. But on the other hand, this situation teacher used to be stronger and more creative. Many students now use technology to learn, new things beyond the classroom. They join free online course, webinar, or virtual internship. Even in hard times, we can still grow through knowledge. That's the power of education. It's give hope even in difficult times.
How can university prepare students for the real world share?
Okay, university prepare use for the real world in many ways. First, they train use to think critically. We learn to analyze problem and find solution. Skill needs in every profession. Second, we learn to communicate. Through presentation, group project, and discussion, we build confidence to express ideas clearly. Third, universities teach use independence. We learn to manage our time, plan our studies, and take responsibility for our action. Do you think university are still important in the digital area?
Yes, sure. Some people say we can learn everything online, and it's really true. But universities give us something more, especially great collaboration, social experience. At the university, we meet people from section actually can be respected just by watching online video. Prover Universitas collaboration great show the we confident along learning process, a bridge to from everywhere and success.
Okay. That's very interesting. What about people who can't go to college?
I believe lifelong learning is very possible that are now may free process on cruises, program, and community education. Education doesn't always have to be formal, but higher education make the everything answer. So if sometime higher the approval to go to college, they show tech is become college is just a diploma. It's very doorway to better future. What message word
Okay.
to give to student during its community crisis, economic crisis?
Okay. Okay. My message is never give up on education. The economy may be true, but knowledge will always be valuable. College is not easy. It takes time, money, and effort, but the results will be worth in the future. Keep learning, believe in yourself, and never stop growing. Even if you face financial problem, look for support from teachers, communities, or scholarship program. The world is changing fast, and education is the best way to stay ready for the future.
Okay. That a wonderful message. I college greet with the I believe education is a very key to open many doors to job professional grow and helping another even in the time of crisis. Economy is the best way to say really for the
Okay.
future.
Okay. That's an excellent conclusion.
Uh, Thank you very much, sir, for the time and insight. I hope this conversation can be inspiration another student to keep learning and never give up. I hope because this is because in the end, education is not really success. It's about creating a better life and a better world.
Okay, actually, thank you for sharing your thought.
Thank you, sir. That all for today discuss. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Assalamualaikum.